Right, how to change a indicator bulb on a V70. This is a P2 2000 or Mark II, P2 Mark II. Probably work on an S80 as well and various other Volvos. So as you can see, the indicator thing is buried right down in here. Bit of a nightmare to get to. However, it's actually not as bad as you think. There's a couple of other really good videos on here on YouTube telling you how to do it. First step, take this cover off, and that's your cover for your low beam bulbs. It should just come out by twisting it anti-clockwise and then remove it as you cover. Now, tip to make it a lot easier on this side to get to is get yourself a T25 Torx bolt. Basically this little Torx wrench. You've got your little Torx screw there. Take that out and just gently prise this out. This actually lifts out. Yeah, you've now got a good view here. Also, another thing, in case you're having issues topping up your washer fluid, take this thing off, and there's a little filter right in here that lifts out. I'm not going to do it today, but it just lifts out and you can clean it. And then, because they do gunk up over time, and you know, your tank won't fill properly, so it's a job for another day anyway. So now you've got a bit better access, put on a glove to give you some extra strength, and you'll want to remove this clip here. So this, I'll put that back in place. This basically, the way this works anyway, is you press that in and then pull, and that should come away quite easily. With this next bit, just get a glove on, because it'll help to give you a better grip on this little indicator thing. See if I can. Hello. Yeah, because they're quite stiff to turn, and what you want to do is turn it clockwise, and then it'll just lift out. There it is. So I've already done this, so the bulb's already missing, but and then refitting is put it in, turn it slightly anti-clockwise, and then just reinsert everything. Hopefully this helps. Sorry it's not the best video, it's raining, and it's a one-handed job. But yeah, hopefully it helps anyway. Good luck. Oh, also, just a little tip for the other side actually. Same thing, remove this headlamp bulb cover, and then you should easily be able to get to it on that side as well. On the near side, this is in Britain, you'll need to turn this one anti-clockwise to get it out. So basically both of them you're turning towards the back of the car, if you like, to get them out. Good luck.